guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, as you know, Raksha Bandhan is coming up. We will be making a Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan. For this fun activity, we will need glue, Fevikwik, colorful pieces of paper, hard paper, some scissors, and some wool, and your inspiration. Oh wait, and some beads. Then your inspiration. So we will take the hard paper and draw two hearts, small and big. So I'm just gonna draw that. Big heart. And then a small heart. Cut this out. Okay, so I've gotten them cut out. Now we are going to take these two colors of paper. We're going to place this like this. First, we're going to put the glue on this side. I'll be back after putting the glue and sticking it onto this. Okay, so I have put it on. Now we are going to take the beads now. Okay, so I took one of these beads. I'm gonna stick it from this side or maybe from this side. I don't know yet. I'm gonna stick it near here. It's gonna look cute. Maybe not this bead. It's too big and too fancy. So we're gonna look like kind of like a fish bead type. Like this one. No, not fish bead. That's not a fish bead one. So we're just gonna put this one on. Okay. I'm gonna take black. I like this one. This is so cute. Ah! So we're just gonna take the Fevikwik. We're just gonna put this. Oh wait. Put this right on this. You guys can pick which bead you guys want to use. I'm using the bead I want. The super glue came all up. Okay, so that's stuck. Now we're going to take this pink heart. We're going to add this on here. Use the Fevikwik. I'm preferring that. Oh wait, bad. Wait, where are we going to glue? Right here, right? Yep. Okay, there you go. Alrighty, just press on. That's like the Rakhi thing. Leave that to dry. Now, I got the wool. I'm gonna take yellow maybe. Will it match? Okay, maybe I should take all of it. Okay, I'm not sure. I've got all these beads too. All kinds of beads. Not all, but I don't know. At least some. Which will yeah, I'm doing all. What am I? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are just going to. Oh my. Ah! Now we're just gonna straighten this all the way. Like this. Okay, wait. This is side. We're going to take this much. I'm gonna have to use the ruler of how much. Well, you can just do it as big as you want. Like this much. Yeah, it's perfect. And cut. I'm doing the red now. Okay, we're gonna do all of it, same size. We're gonna take the blue now. Okay. Same size. Please be the same size. Alrighty, cut it now. You gotta cut it from here. Alright, I got it. Now we are just going to take our super glue. So I'm just going to take it. Okay. And do it like this. Then put it like this. Oh no, not there. There. Now we will. Oh, okay. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Why is it hot on paper? I don't know. No problem, but okay. It's working out, but it's very hot. I don't know why it's hot. What's the problem with this? So that part is done. That's done. Actually, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna do it from the other side. That part is done, and I feel really relieved because it was hot, and I don't know how it was hot, why it was hot. What's the problem with super glue? Straighten it up. Boop. Oh wait, what? My. Okay. Hey guys, so I have done it on that side too. Ah! Now we're going to take this and we're gonna put it on like this, right about here. Okay, so we will do that. We will cut out, actually, we will have to cut out like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take this and doing it like that. Yeah, I think you guys know the point. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So we are going to press down. Okay. Did it happen on this side? I don't think it happened on the downside. I don't know. Okay, guys, so I've done this part and it's done. So that's the Rakhi, but we are still not finished yet. We just need to add a few touches. So I'm gonna take some glitter gel. I'm just gonna take like permanent marker types. So I have taken this black marker. Okay guys, so I have drawn this. I have written bhaiya mera, and I have also put like these golden flakes type. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Raksha Bandhan Rakhi making video DIY at home. So bye guys, enjoy your Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan guys, brothers and sisters and everyone in the whole world. Bye guys, like, share, subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Whew.